This is a place that makes you feel like you're like, yeah, let's put on a show.
We are here with the owner of this facility, Velto. This place is getting jam-packed like day after day, hour after hour.
What makes me the most excited is seeing how many people are meeting, interacting for the first time. It's the whole point of pickleball. Like, be competitive, have great games, but then also meet people off the court. Like, have a good time. That is what gets me the most excited. It's just a true third space. That's what you want.
This is a hangout, and you get to play pickleball. You can work from here. You can eat here. You can relax here. You meet so many people.
Listen, they got the best snack bar going on over there.
This facility makes you want to, it actually makes you want to up your game, because when you walk in, you can tell that this is elevated.
Certain places, I feel like I want to like show out.
Yeah.
The vibe that you get, like it's a fun, exciting show, entertainment. Like,
we've had so many people who are coming in, regulars now, who are like at that 4-4, 4-5 level. They kind of echo that. They're in here every day because it's really good competition.
Yep.
And at the same time, you just, again, have a very enjoyable off-the-court experience. Right. And I think that's the most important thing.
It's a well-rounded pickleball experience. And you can even come here without playing pickleball and still enjoy yourself. And then guess what? You're going to want to play pickleball.
Come for the views, stay for the pickleball. You will not be disappointed. Check out Velto Pickleball in Red Hook, Brooklyn.